Welcome to a brand new video, guys. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can earn $30 by just watching videos online. It's damn easy. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, I make videos about earning money online and living a life of freedom. So I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you can notify whenever we drop a brand new video like this. With that being said, let's hop into today's 3 websites, which I'm going to the least to the best. And the number one is Try My UI, which is basically Try My User Interface. So what these 3 websites is all about, big companies come here, let's say Google, Walmart, Bose, something, come here so that they can get feedback of their softwares, their websites, their services, so that they can improve their websites visibility, their softwares, their services. Let's say that it's Try My UI, this must be in the right, these menus are not good, maybe you should change that, and something like that. But one advice which I'm going to share with you guys is be genuine when you are giving a review. Don't just be that they're asking something and they're giving something, right? Be genuine in your review. So the number one is Try My User Interface. Let's see what clients they have. Bose, Amazon, British Airways, right? Huge companies come here. And so come here, what is it as get paid to test, and you will come over sign up process. You will get paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test takes approximately 20 minutes. In 5, 20, 30 minutes of your time's exchange, you get a good amount of money. So why you need to do that? Put your name, put your email, PayPal email, password number, and submit, and your account will be created. And literally you just need an internet connection and a laptop, and sometimes that too doesn't require. You should need an Apple or an Android phone, which will do the same work as laptop for you. Either laptop is okay, or even if you don't have a laptop, you can use the options of smartphones and you can earn a good amount of money. The first one is Try My UI. The second one is, as I said, I'm going from the least to the best. Second one is what is called Userlytics. Userlytics, like I said, these 3 websites are the same. Big companies come here to get reviews of the website, software and services so they can improve that. Here it is Walmart. So let's see what clients this website has. Microsoft, Google. When you compare these two with Try My UI had somewhat comparatively less competition. Like see Amazon, Bose, it's somewhat bigger, huge companies from that. Microsoft is a huge one, Google is a huge one. So let's say in this website you are going to come what it says as right up here, tester sign up. You have to sign up for this. Get paid to test websites and apps. Like I said, services, softwares and websites. You will get paid via PayPal. It says you can earn anywhere from $5, $10, $15, $20 and even $90. In exchange of your 20-30 minutes you get $90. Why couldn't you give it a try? Put your email here and finish the sign up process and get paid for test. The second one is Userlytics. What is the third one is the big daddy of all. It's called user testing. User testing has huge companies. Let's see where are the clients. eBay, Facebook, P&G, Expedia, Patagonia, what is it called? Patagonia, sorry. So all these websites does the same thing. You should but the problem with user testing is it's a big daddy, so people are already enrolled in this website, so that now these guys are not hiring people to test. As you can see here, we currently have all the panelists we need at this time. By this itself you can see that how big this company is. User testing is the number one, the big daddy of all these testing websites. You can come then and there and check whether they are recruiting testers so that you can get enrolled in. Now what's the problem? The main drawback of these 3 websites is that they only give 2 or 3 tests per week, that's it, and your amount of getting paid is less. So what's the solution is you can simultaneously sign up with all these 3. You can go to Try My UI, you can go to Userlytics, you can go to user testing as well when it's available, and so that the chances that you get test increases and the amount is also increases as well. So with that being said, I have another two websites which doesn't have more reviews, which is not yet popular, but yet what I feel that it's worth of doing it. But I highly recommend you to go to first these two websites or third one Userty as well, and then when you have fulfilled the test, then come to these two websites. And the number one is what is called as Userfeed. This does the same. Companies come here to test the same process for all. Number one is Userfeed, and number two is what users do. But like I said, to come to first these three, and if you have fulfilled the test, go for that too. And then it just literally needs a basic English, no upfront cost. You just need to have a good internet access, a good recording system, basic recording system in fact. And then the registration process is like a filling of a school or college website. It's literally easy, damn easy way to get a good amount of money online, rather than giving up surveys, rather than doing affiliate marketing, rather than doing anything. It takes time, but this in just 5, 20, 30 minutes of your time, in exchange you get a good amount of money. So why wouldn't you do that? So with that being said, if you are interested in affiliate marketing or passive income online, or you want to live a life of freedom, make money from your home by sitting relaxed, and then my channel is all about that. Go to my channel and check out videos. So I really want to help people, because when I started, I need people to help me to live my life of freedom. So I know that thing, but when the beginners of what they face, I know that. So I want you to help you so that you can get the I think it's the easiest way to get money by just 5, 20, 30 minutes of your work, rather than you doing affiliate marketing. It takes time. Rather than you become a YouTuber, it takes a time. But these websites, you can earn literally 5, 20, 30 minutes, that's it. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, or want to live a life of freedom, but not quit your job and work from home, then my channel is all about that. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon, so that you can be the one of them who quit the job, who live the life of freedom and work from home as well.